going to the airport now. It's already 4:20, around 4:20 already. Yes. So this is the bus stop, guys, if nandito kayo sa Caron area. If you wish to take the bus, dito, sa tapat siya ng Caron Stadium.
Going to airport.
Going to airport, guys. So may ang tawag ng bus is Smart Bus. So which is super mura, which is 100 baht per person. Yeah, so we're just waiting for the bus. And we're ready to leave Phuket. Are you ready? Yeah. And welcome back again, Bangkok, guys. So we have 2 more days in Bangkok. Okay, so see you there. A stadium. So may bus stop din sa kabila. This the bus stop naman is coming from airport going here. Yan yung stadium nila. Hi guys, nandito na kami sa bus. On time ba? Inferno.
Sun kiss.
On time yung bus. Grabe yung bus, guys, in fairness.
Wala masyadong tao.
Wala masyadong pasahero kami. Konti lang. Hi guys! Dito na kami sa airport at naka-check-in na kami. Kumain lang kami guys. Dito sa loob ng airport. Sobrang gutom na namin. It's already 7:03 ng gabi. At saka umuulan pa sa labas guys. Yung bus pala, sobrang traffic kasi sa may Bangtao area. So, dumating kami dito sa airport around 6:20 or 6:30 na. Hi guys! Dito na kami ulit sa Bangkok. It's already 9:45 guys. So, mag-train kami. Going to SkyTrain Station. Try namin. Hi! Ito yung ticket nila guys. Parang token. So, going to Payatay kami. How many station lang?
6 ata. Platform 3. Up. Ayay.
So, this is the train station. Try lang kami, guys. Nandito kami sa platform 3. So, tatlo yung transfer namin, guys. So, from Don Mueang Airport, bababa kami sa Bangsu. And then from Blue Line. And then Bangsu to Chatuchak. Tapos, from Chatuchak to Monchit. Monchit to Pattaya. Payatay. So, tatlong station, guys.
Tingnan namin, baka mag-taxi na lang at pagdating sa Bangsu.
Oo. Check namin kasi
Mag-grab na lang kami.
Grab na lang. Para, kasi late na, alas 10 na lang gabi.
na rin.
It's time to rest. Hindi namin alam kung how many minutes from Bangsu, pero
From here to Bangsu.
oo. Baka mabilis lang. Let's see.
So, yeah.
I guess that you forgot the past. I see you happy in your life. Something's not clear, and I don't see that you feel hurt or that you miss me. I do not understand this. I do not understand this. Baby, your love is like fire, it's burning my heart and my body. I do not understand this. I do not understand this.
guys, nag-atay na kami sa Grab. Hindi namin alam saan yung exit. Nalito kami guys. Doon nakakatakot kasi wala ng tao. Nakabook na si Rhea ng Grab. And then dito pala yung exit. Exit 10. Or gate 10. So it's already 10:39. Dito pa rin kami sa Bangso Station. Gutom na si Realin. Gutom na din ako. Hi guys, nandito na kami sa Ginnery Hostel sa Payatay area. Sobrang nasa pinaka tawagan nilang papasok talaga siya guys from the main road, but the place is so big, very big. And then may pa-laundry sila dito, 20 baht. Yung downside lang dito is papasok talaga siya from the main road, but the thing is daming kainan actually sa labas guys, daming kainan on the road lang, on the way madami kang pagpipilian na restaurant or mga karinderya. So yeah, we're gonna settle. And so yeah guys, nandito kami sa room namin. Sobrang laki guys, very spacious. Okay, mag-room tour tayo. Saglit lang. This is the main door guys. And then to your right, we have a full-length mirror. Chill. And then to your right, we have like a working area here. And then the bed is so big, guys. Bed. And then we have TV. We have some decorations. And this is the window. And an open closet. So we also have this mini sofa bed. I think you can pull it out and then make a bed like that. We also have telephone. Oh my god, this is so nice. And then we have mini fridge. And then they have complimentary water and coffee. And the washroom is quite spacious as well, guys. You see, there's a water heater. Oh, so clean. The hostel is so clean. I love the flooring. Wow, so nice. So we booked this hostel through booking.com guys, and we only paid 170 dirham for 2 nights. So yeah, we're here. We finally settled down guys. It's already 11:27. Lalabas kami ulit and then umuulan siya ngayon guys. Pero hindi naman malakas. Maghanap kami ng kakainan kasi medyo gutom kami. But first, so we'll just fix everything and we'll go.